I've had you praise God like crazy, you know. Naweka pride pembeni and you dance and I'm sweating there before when I started singing. Mimi ni umuyumbe, eh? Come on, if there is somebody here who's here for Jesus, shout Jesus! One more time. If there is somebody who's here for Jesus, shout Jesus! You're able. There is nothing that you cannot do. So before I sing it in Swahili, I want to sing it in Kinyarwanda first. Because I told you I'm Banyamulenge, right? I told you, right? So I want to sing it in Kinyarwanda. The keyboard, please. The keyboard, I'm going to sing. Guitar. Now I want to teach you and then we'll sing together, alright? Are you ready? It says like this.